Um, you you say this little box can make a meal in minutes? Truly? Oh, not this box. The the box in the box. Oh, okay. Humans put a box inside a box in an attempt to keep other humans from taking the first box. Humans are strange. Theft? I'm not totally naive, thank you. Yes, yes, I was Invader Zim, but I know what theft is, my beautiful human guide. So, we need to finish paying. Then we can make meals in minutes? No. Program a clock? Ugh, human tech is weird. We know of it, like cell phones and whatnot, basics of what they can do, but it's still pretty foreign. Okay, I'll pay. How many rubies for a magic cooking box inside of a box? What do you mean I'm embarrassing you? I put my tail and hood away. Why is everyone staring? It wasn't my fault they all stared at us all the way out the store. I was trying to be a gentle snake. Fine. I'll let you handle the humans. I'll just sit here until we get back home. I am curious about this box, though. I can't wait to see it in action. Okay, so now that we're home, let's try getting the box out of the box. Um, does it need that electricity like everything else you humans use for technology? Okay, okay. So we need to find a spot in the kitchen for it, right? What about right over there? It's right by an outlet. Well, we nigh divine beings do have some superior senses, even if I'm a reject to most of my kind. Oh, forget the clock. I want to see this in action. Come on. Okay, you're pulling food from the freezer. That will take hours. Come on, I want to see this in action. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, wow. It it spins just like a rotisserie. And you're telling me that that food in the freezer, that food I saw you pull, That was hard as a rock. We'll be ready to eat? Ooh, it does smell pretty good, actually. Does that mean it's done? It looks cooked. Let me try a bite. That is good.